No doubt, whenever it comes to the renovation of a home, people mostly want to go for the floor covering, which comes in their budget and can enhance the entire area while running for a longer period. In this regard, vinyl plank flooring is becoming popular as it can be DIY installed, thus, people usually get their hands on this floor covering. Talking about the installation process, you have to first cut its planks carefully right according to the area so that you can fit them perfectly. Most people might not know how to cut these planks, so in this video, we have explained everything about it. 1. Get prepared with the required material. First things first, get yourself prepared with all the necessary material required for the cutting of these planks. These include measuring tape, straight edge, utility knife, carpenter's square, and safety glasses. 2. Do the measuring and marking of planks. Now, it's time to measure and mark the planks so that you can easily cut them off and start installing them. Measure the length of the plank you wish to cut with a measuring tape. Mark the measurement on the plank using a carpenter's square and a straight edge. Now, again with the help of measuring tape, measure the width you want to cut on the plank and mark the measurements on both sides of the plank with a straight edge. Repeat this process with each plank, making your cutting step easy and quick. 3. Cut the planks properly and safely. Before you start cutting the planks, do make use of your safety glasses to protect your eyes. Now, take the utility knife and start scoring the planks along the length, following the marks using a square edge. Repeat the scoring step a few times until the plank gets cut properly. After that, bend the plank smoothly along the score line and snap it into two. If it doesn't snap easily, do the scoring step a few times more until it gets separated into two pieces. 4. Cut out the planks in required shapes. When you are done with cutting the plank into equal straight pieces, now it is time to cut them into special shapes, which include door jambs and pipes. Honestly speaking, cutting out planks for these areas can be really tricky, but this is the easiest way you can follow. For the door jambs, you will need a jigsaw or a handsaw to cut the plank into the specified shapes. For the pipes, you can use a template to trace the shape onto the planks, and then, using a utility knife, you can easily snap the piece out of the vinyl plank,